Hey, this is Dave with the Prepper Bookshelf, and today's review is almost, I guess, a commercial for one of the projects or products that we have over at the TN Gun website, something that I created myself and I want to share with you. I've been searching throughout the internet looking for different types of documents. I've noticed that after 9/11, a lot of stuff has been redacted out of public purview, right? And so it was kind of hard to find a lot of military manuals, and some guys on eBay sell a bunch of different DVDs of military manuals, but they typically are just kind of thrown together compilations where a guy puts all of his stuff on a disc and sells the disc. There isn't a lot of rhyme or reason to how everything is put out, right? And so what I did is I created a auto exec disk that's got all the files on there. And so basically, I've got two disks in this set. It's about 7 gigs of information. Most all of it is in PDF form. And so I've got two volumes. Volume one is U.S. military field and technical manuals, right? And when you put the disk in your computer, in a PC type computer, pops up with a menu and allows you to select what you're looking for, right? And little pop down, scroll through screens, and pick up what you want. Volume two is mostly correspondence courses from the different military training courses. And I've found that the military is really good at taking someone with just a basic high school diploma, and sometimes not even that, and very quickly training them to be competent in an area, right? And so, above all things, I think the military is really good at training, and so I think the correspondence courses are definitely worth looking at. And so we sell this on the line, both on tngun.com and on the prepperbookshelf.com in the store. They're like $13, I think, $12, free shipping, and you pay online, you get the two discs sent to you. That pretty much beats any prices you're going to find on eBay, and the quality is I think, a lot better. So anyway, there it is, and I hope that you like the disc. I've had lots of people purchase the disc, one of my most popular products. And until next time, you can always catch us online, www.prepperbookshelf.com.